Hello, my lovely viewers. Thank you for stopping by. Today's recipe is called Malpua. It's nothing but a fluffy pancake coated in a sugar syrup and served as a dessert. So let us begin by making the sugar syrup. Heat a saucepan and add 1 cup of sugar along with half cup of water. You can also add some cardamom pods for some flavor and allow the sugar to melt completely, and then let it boil for around 8 minutes or until you get a very thin sugar syrup. Meanwhile, let's prepare the batter for making the malpuas. So in a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of sooji or rava, a pinch of salt, a pinch of baking soda, and give it a good mix. Then add around 6 teaspoons of condensed milk and mix it well. Then add around 3/4 cup of milk and make a smooth, lump-free batter. Now for some extra bit of flavor, you can add some fennel seeds or the powder. The consistency of the batter should look somewhat like this, slightly thinner than the dosa batter. So our sugar syrup seems to be ready. Let us keep it aside. So now it's time to fry the malpuas. So to a moderately hot oil, drop a ladle full of batter slowly. It will take a round shape on its own. Let it fry for about 2 minutes and then flip it over and fry on the other side for another 2 minutes or until it turns golden brown. Now in a similar way, fry the remaining malpuas. And once you are done with the frying, dip all the malpuas in the sugar syrup and let them sit for about 30 minutes before serving. You can serve it after 30 minutes, and as a garnish you can just place some nuts on top. I have used some almond flakes. So my dear friends, please try this recipe and let me know in the comments below. If you liked watching this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Take care.